How to do SIM swap on Telkom. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to swap your SIM out into a Telkom account. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to purchase a replacement SIM card directly from Telkom. Does not matter actually if it is from physical store or via online on their official website or an eSIM. Now, what you want to do next is just simply insert it if you purchase a physical SIM and do not activate it yet. Now you need to use two phones in here because you won't need to insert two specific SIM cards on one single phone because we are activating one only. Now from the original SIM card that you have right there, you can go directly into Telkom's official website, which is going to be here. And then click this option here that says Get Help from Tuso. Now the reason why we're doing this is to coordinate with is to communicate with one of the customer service on Telkom because you won't be able to do this on your end. It would also help a self-service. So all you have to do is to choose on technical support and have them your account number on Telkom account and then provide them your old SIM card number and as well as the details of the SIM card that you will swapping into. And that's how you do SIM swap on Telkom.